the ecological point of view, surrounding refers to the environment refers to the surrounding in which an organism exists and interact. Therefore, environment is the sum of all social, biological, and physical or chemical factors which constitute the surrounding of man. In the context of environmental education, UNESCO identified 4 components of the environment. First, we have the natural environment, which includes wind, living organisms, mountains, rivers. Second, we have the built environment, which includes human-altered landscapes. Third, we have the social and cultural environment, which involves cultural values. And fourth, we have the spatial environment, which includes location, distance, and such. Environmental sensitivity. It is a term that refers to an individual's awareness, understanding, and responsiveness to the environment and its associated issues. It's basically the concern of an individual for the natural world and their commitment to sustainable practices. Environment sensitivity is a multifaceted concept encompassing awareness, understanding, empathy, and concern, sustainable behaviors, advocacy and activism, systems thinking, collaboration and engagement. So we have here our 5 major importance of environment conservation. So environment conservation refers to the protection, preservation, and management of natural resources and ecosystems to ensure their long-term health and sustainability. So we have here first resource conservation. Environment conservation helps avoid exploitation of natural resources, which ensures its sustainability for future generations. Second, we have ecosystem balance. Environment conservation helps mitigate or lessen the negative impacts of urbanization and habitat loss. Third, we have prevention of natural disasters. Environment conservation highlights the importance of mitigating negative impacts of mitigating risk that human-induced activities contribute. So fourth, we have mitigation of global warming. Environment conservation lessens the impact of global warming, which safeguards our the health of our environment and human health. And fifth, we have awareness and responsibility. Environment conservation promotes awareness and responsibility, which helps mitigate environmental challenges. So we have here why is conservation important for the environment, and it will be our first topic.
Why is conservation important for the environment? An ecosystem is a community made up of all living things in an area and the way they affect each other and the environment. If you remove or damage any part of the ecosystem, it has knock-on effect on all other parts of the ecosystem. Damage to habitats such as coastline. Deforestation this has serious effect not only on many species which live in that habitat, but also on the planet as a whole.
So what is environmental awareness? Environmentalism is an ideology that involves the necessity and responsibility of humans to respect, protect, and present the natural world from its anthropogenic affliction. So environmental awareness is an integral part of the movement success by spreading awareness to others that the physical environment is fragile and
Ricky.
So if we realize that implementing green strategies also, the deterioration of our environment possesses actually to the health and security of countless species on Earth. So it's essential for us to recognize the consequences of our actions in the environment.
So guys, you have three questions. Mamili din isa. First question, why is conservation important for the environment? Ikaw. Ikaw po. Jimmy. Why is conservation important for the environment? Thank you. So, next question. As a student, how will you promote environmental awareness? Well, thank you. Next question. Why is it important to have environmental sensitivity? Amen. Why is it important to have environmental sensitivity? Why is it important?